Hey y'all, hey, I'm Kwanda, the face behind Crafty LLC and Cozy Stationery Nook. I help everyday people use creativity, AI, and simple tools to bring their ideas to life, grow their skills, and build with confidence. Here is a shortcut that I can save you time with. Stop creating every post from scratch. Take one YouTube video, turn it into a short video, a Facebook post, a quick tip, an email, and a community discussion. You already did the hardest part when you created the original, right? So now give that idea more than one job, right? Your audience does not need to see every piece of content you republish. Repeating your message in different formats is not annoying. It's a smart idea, right? And it's smart marketing, right? So subscribe to Crafty LLC here on YouTube for more content creation shortcuts and beginner-friendly business tips. All right. So I will see you over there because this community is growing. I'm on my way to 1,000, and I have a membership now. So come join the membership. Get on in there. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.